Once your brand kit is set up, templates are how you scale it. In Adobe Express, you can create on-brand templates that anyone on your team can use without worrying about layouts or logos getting changed. Open Adobe Express, where you can start from an existing template, maybe a post design you've already created, or a new design from scratch. Choose a format your team uses often, like a social post, flyer, or presentation. Here's another option: upload existing design files. If your creative team works in other Adobe apps, you can upload almost any file type: JPEG, PNG, PDF, Photoshop, or InDesign. Express preserves the original structure, including layers, so you can turn existing designs into ready-to-use templates without rebuilding from zero. If your creative team works in Adobe InDesign, you can turn those designs into editable Express templates in just one click. Open your InDesign file and go to File, Export to Adobe Express. Express will convert the document into a fully editable design, preserving structure, text, and layers, so your broader team can customize it without needing InDesign. From there, you can lock key elements, apply your brand kit, and share the template with your organization for consistent on-brand content creation. Lock your logos, colors, or layout elements like this so they can't be moved or deleted. Use lock and allow replace on items like images or text fields like this so teams can update the content without changing the design structure, like size or alignment. Here, I'll replace the copy, but the design remains locked. Now that your layout and locked elements are in place, you can ensure everyone who uses this template stays on brand. When you select Convert to Template, Express gives you brand and style controls. First, give your template a name and a note, which is optional. Then, select Locks. Here, you control how protected your design is. You can allow users to unlock layers if needed, require a passphrase for changes, or lock everything completely so no one can alter the structure. In Style, you control how the template can be edited. Limit colors and fonts to approved brand options, and restrict access to media or new layers. Every edit stays consistent and on brand. Recipients can be prevented from unlocking protected elements or adding unapproved layers. Finally, review and approve. Before you share a template with your organization, you can route it through a simple review process. Collect feedback directly inside the template, no PDFs or email threads needed. And for larger teams or structured workflows, Express integrates with Adobe Workfront, allowing creative operations to manage approvals, track requests, and standardize how templates get published. Templates evolve as campaigns and priorities change. If you're the template creator, updating them is simple. Select Edit Template, make your changes, and Express automatically updates the template everywhere it's shared. Teams will always be working with the latest version without needing to reshare files or rebuild designs. Move your templates into a project, which acts like a shared folder for your team or department. You can store versions for different regions, campaigns, or channels all in one place. Share your template so others can use it without risking accidental edits. Choose who can view, use, or edit, whether it's individuals, groups, or your whole organization. With on-brand templates in place, your teams can create high-quality content at scale while keeping every design consistent and on message. It's one of the fastest ways to help your organization create better content every day.